I want to use this opportunity to show you a couple of interesting things. So we're looking down at the top of the sewing area, so that's that section there. So the needle plate sits here, and they're the feed dogs. So all this will be covered up and put away. So for the rolled hem, I have this slider, and if you watch there, there's the finger, so I need to move the knife out of the way and push this finger, slide it forward. So what that finger does is it continues on. Let's see if I can move those out of the way, the loopers out of the way. Okay, there's the finger, and what that finger does is when it's forward like that, it sits in front of that section there and acts as part of the needle plate. When we remove it out of the way and take it out of the way, there's no needle plate there to continue on. So the fabric, what happens is the fabric limps down there, the loops form around it, and when the fabric is limped forward, it rolls under, and that's how you form the rolled hem. So it's always important to remember to do that. So if I show you again, see if it works with fabric there. So the fabric sits along there and carries on, and it can stay balanced on that needle, that finger we call it. Remove, I'm going to leave the fabric there, remove the finger. Can't see, but it's removed, and there's nothing for it to sit on now. And what happens is the fabric turns in. The tension needs to be high on the lower looper, so it folds it over. So that's your rolled hem finger.